Yo gang, it's Rod here, Futures 8-Bit. Look, we have a treat from Mr Misfit. He likes doing these things at this time of the year. On his tortureware title, this is X-MasSacre. So, you know, it's Mr Misfit. There has to be some sort of violence at Christmas. It's his thing. There we go, and we are using nearly a purple, some nearly red, a kind of green, all of the shades that you get on a TED-based machine. Collect all the Xmas presents and shoot nasty dudes. Okay, will do. Oh, I have a joystick plugged into port 1. That might be a bit loud. Maybe there. Right, okay. Looks more red on my monitor. They look funky on a CRT. That looks really good on a CRT. Yeah, okay. The capture is not doing this justice. This looks really properly good, Mr. Misfit. CRT. Right, can we can't rotate. Oh, but we can do lots of shots. I like lots of shots. Yeah. This is good. Plays alright. Oh, that was a present. Do I collect the presents? Ah, maybe I protect the presents. Ah. Wave 2. I can't believe I'm still alive. There's not that much torture. Okay, the shots go both ways now. Now it's getting difficult. This is alright. There's a link below if you want to download this from Mika's itch page. Really properly good on a CRT. I will try and take a picture if I can figure out. Oh, there's my phone. Sometimes I can get a good picture on the old phone. Ooh. There's a present. No! Whoa. It really whizzes around well. It's good. Right. Yeah. Oh, no. Oh, bugger. Got that far in. This is very playable. Not like you, Misfit. Normally you like to have games so incredibly difficult. This plays really well. I'm liking it. So yeah, again, if you've got a TED machine, C16, Plus4, bugger, get shot from behind, or any of those fancy ones like the 264, do tweet a picture of that. That's good stuff. Anyway, I'm off now. Bye.